I might get a video pag yung yan, napakaraming honeybee, yung maraming bees. They were streaming out my backyard. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung ang Hawaiian. Yan, meron siyang may palabas na bulaklak ulit dyan. And this is the Korean cilantro. Gusto ko ipakita itong aster. And guys, these are all aster. Hanggang doon. Yan. Okay, so let me show you on the other side. Ito po. Napakarami, ano. And sad to say, yung pomegranate tree ko guys is sa taong ito, dalawa lang ang bunga niya. Yan lang ang bunga guys. Okay, so I wanna show you. So, humabol yung mga roses. Nagbulaklak sila ng husto. Sumabay sila dyan sa aster. And look at my roses. And dry na yung iba. Meron pang marami pang lalabas. Ayan. Guys, so you see that? But then look at this aster. These flowers are millions. There's a lot of them. At hindi pa sila nag-bloom lahat, guys. This is really fun. And look at the bees. There's a lot of them coming into the backyard. Sinisip-sip na nila lahat yung mga ano. Hey guys, can you see these flowers? See? Look. Just imagine when they bloom. And my yellow flowers out there. Nag-bloom din siya ng ano. Marami pa rin ang nag-bloom yan. I think meron pa siyang mga lalabas na. Marami pang mga lalabas guys. Can you see that? But I do love it. So look at that. How beautiful these flowers are. Look. And this, yung tequila, yung pinagmumulan ng tequila, the agave. Is I have a huge agave. Pinutol ko guys eh. Ayan. Alright, so these are the aster, right? Tapos yung red roses, yung ano, yung what tawag dito, scarlet roses ko ay marami pa rin. They're just about to bloom, huh? Yung red roses. Yan. Yung mga dahon nila ganyan guys kasi ano na, fall na pagkatapos nitong siguro may ilang linggo na lang mahuhulog na rin yung mga bulaklak, yung mga ano nila, yung mahuhulog na yung mga what do you call that. Gusto ko ipakita to sa inyo how big, how huge this is. This is the scarlet one. Wow, they're very beautiful. And guys, okay, so I'll take you to the, I just love the aster. This is my, I wanna honeybee. Okay, I'll take you to ang aking backyard guys. So you might notice it. Itong bulaklak na ito, yung yucca, is magbubulaklak sila ng spring, summer, at saka bago mag-fall. So pag nagbulaklak sila guys, ipakita ko sa inyo. See, look. Ayan, right? But hindi pa sila nag-bloom. Pag nag-bloom siya, pag nag-bloom sila guys, ipakita ko sa inyo, no? Ayan. They were huge actually. See? See how huge it is? Ganyan siya pag lumabas. Ayan. And these are really sharp. Hindi nyo yan mahawakan. See? These are really sharp. Kasi bulaklak ito sa disyerto. Okay. Not so many people have. But I bought that one. And this one gets so big. Yung cactus. This is a baro brush. Ito ay mga paninda ko, guys. See, can you see that? Yan ay mga paninda ko yan. Yan, paninda ko yan, guys. So, actually ito, marami siyang anak, diba? Yung mga anak na yan, tatanggalin ko yan. Tapos, yung mga yan, tanggalin ko yung maliliit pag medyo lumaki. Lagay ko isa-isa dyan. And, I'm selling these ones for like $6 each. Ito kung minsan, pag yung medyo lumaki ng konti. Ayan. And, ito na yung bagong chamomile. Bago na itong sibol. Ayan. So, I do love my chamomile also. Ayan, guys. Na haluan siya ng pure at saka yung chamomile na yan, yung may halong white. So, I am ready for, meron naman akong pang-tsaa, guys. This is the apple tree. Tapos nagbulaglag yung malunggay ko, guys. Pero palagay ko itong bulaklak ay hindi na aabot. See, look at that. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng bulaklak ng malunggay. This is it. Yan po, guys, ang bulaklak niya. Ngayon lang ako nakakita sa buong buhay ko. May bulaklak pala yung malunggay. Ano? Yung malunggay na bunga, but I haven't seen the bulaklak. By the way, this is aster. Look. The honeybee is streaming at my backyard. These flowers are really beautiful. There are millions of them. It's very beautiful. This is all my ipakita ko sa inyo, guys, kasi meron akong sili. Maraming bunga yung sili. And this is the cherry tomatoes. Nandyan sa loob may mga tomatoes pa yan kasi magtatapos na sila. At meron pa silang, marami pa siyang bulaklak. So I think magtatapos na sila, guys. Naantay ko lang na mag-red yung mga yan. Because ayan, iba na. Dahil syempre lalamig na, guys. Iba na yun. Okay, so this is the jalapeno. Maraming bunga yung jalapeno ko. Ayan, kahit papano. Ayan. Maraming bunga, guys. You see that? There you go. And yan yung talbos ng kamote, no? Tapos meron akong ipakita sa inyo. This is also tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. So ipakita sa inyo yung aking paprika. This is paprika, guys. Can you see that? Marami siyang bunga. Ayan, maraming bunga, guys. Medyo lumaki na ito, Ayan. I get big now. And meron pa siya doon. Meron din sa kabila. Tsaka meron din dito. Okay, so the apple tree. But for the meantime, gusto kong i-picture sa inyo itong aster because they are really beautiful in October. Ayan. Ganda no guys. Isipin nyo yan pag nag-bloom yan sila lahat. Ang dami. Ganda. And this is cactus. Meron siyang, may malaki siyang bulaklak. Yan, na puti. Tapos meron din akong cactus doon. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan doon. Something cat. Something I couldn't remember. Yan. I think I have another big cactus over there. These are canon. Makita niyo yung aking mga lemon seedlings. Ayan ay mga pambenta ko guys. I can sell them for like $35 pag lumaki sila palalakihin ko sila ng husto. Yan. So I have a lot. Yan pala malabas pa lang sila. I have a lot guys, and there's some more in here. Yan. And these are goji berry. Ito ay aking mga paninda. Guys. Ayan, pag ibenta ko yan is like $30. Yan. Either 25. Yan. 25 or 30. Yan. Tapos meron akong ipakita na lumaki ng husto na cactus. This is my what is it? This is the I call it the dwarf peach tree I have right there. Tapos itong tree na ito, nakita nyo, is mulberry tree. Tapos ito namang tree na ito is cherry tree. Okay? Kaya pag nagbunga sila, marami akong mga fruits din dito sa backyard. Ito guys, I just planted this year. But look how big they are. You see that? Wala pang pa-plant ko lang yan guys. See, look at that. Hindi ko makita eh. There you go. But this one really get big. So, meron siyang mga pag may bunga siya, napakasarap yung bunga niya guys. Itong cactus na ito, napakasarap yung bunga niya. Pag nagbunga siya, hopefully, they are really beautiful. Ayan. Okay guys, so, I think that be it. Actually, the one I wanna feature to you is this aster, right? Diba yung aster? Yan. Pag nag-bloom sila lahat, ipakita ko ulit sa inyo. Okay? Okay, so that'll be it. Bye now. Mabalik na ulit ako sa bahay. What is it? Can you please say, kumusta ka?
Kumusta ka?